This is Unit 3, Week 3, question number 8. How did the U.S. acquire Oregon? First of all, Oregon used to be huge. The modern U.S. state of Oregon was part of a territory that included Oregon, Washington, Idaho, all the way up into British Columbia, the Yukon, part of, or up to the Yukon, Canada today. Oregon was originally, this Oregon territory or area was claimed by 4 different countries. In the early 1800s, it was claimed by Russia, Mexico, or Spain initially, the United States, and Great Britain. There weren't huge conflicts because there weren't a lot of people there. Mexico, or Spain, I should say, gave up its claim in 1819 in the Adams-Onis, or Transcontinental Treaty, when they established a border from Atlantic to Pacific with the United States. Russia gave up its claim in 1825. They didn't have a large presence, mostly fur trading along the coast. But Britain and the United States both set up farms, both set up place organizations and areas, both had a settlement presence there. In the Manifest Destiny, expansion crazed United States, which had spread and grown unbelievably quickly. In 1840, the United States stopped. 1803, we doubled the Louisiana Purchase. 1845, Texas. 1846, Oregon. 1848, land from the Mexican War. Massive, quick expansion. And as a result of that, more and more Americans are pouring into the West. 1844 election, President Polk, or he's campaigning to be president, is a Democratic pro-cotton expansionist. He says we want to annex Texas, and when he's elected, 1845, we annex Texas. He also made the campaign pledge, 54-40 or fight. What he meant is the United States should get all of the Oregon Territory, all the way up to the northern edge, or we should go to war with Britain. A crazy idea. What didn't happen? What did happen? They signed a negotiated settlement. They divided the territory in half at the 49th parallel. So the northern half above the 49th parallel became British and eventually Canadian, and below the 49th parallel became the United States territory. So we split it in half rather than go to war. But it did show our zest and zealousness for this massive Manifest Destiny expansion. And that's it from some guy in an Aloha print shirt.